1, 2, 3, and 4. A good dog is lost. Set a sign above the counter at the corner store with an address and a phone to call. Still in all it said a little bit more. It said, "Hey there, stranger, well I can hardly believe someone that I love that much has run away from me. And if you find her, if you can only return her to me at any cost, for a good dog is lost somewhere out there tonight upon a darkened street, running breathless with a wild beating heart in all directions on 4 tiny feet, calling, "Hey there, stranger, well I can hardly believe someone that I love that much has forgotten about me." Look at all these people tucked away in their houses, and they're watching reruns of Who's the Boss, while a good dog is lost. And the tired clerk at the counter says, every day in tiny ways we disappear. On a night like this, it's better him than me out there. But a good dog is lost. Set a flyer beneath the windshield wiper of my car, so I stashed it in my groceries. I caught this expression in my rearview mirror. It said, "Hey there, stranger, well I can hardly believe that a picture of a puppy drawn with a crayon would get to a guy like me. I guess I'll just go out and drive around. I know I'll never sleep. Well, I'll just turn and toss, for a good dog is lost." A good dog is lost. Arr, 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 arr. Arr, 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 arr. A good dog is